Hello everybody and welcome to another video from a Mac user, and in this video I'm just going to show you how you upgrade your Safari preview. So in a recent video I showed you the tech version of Safari and the advantages of actually downloading and installing it, and in this video I'm just going to show you how you do the update to make sure that you're always on the latest version of Safari preview. So let's get into it, shall we? So I've remoted into a Mac Mini. If I click about this Mac, it gives you obviously what the Mac Mini is. So silicon-based machine. And if I go back into System Settings, it's already identified that I've got a update. But as you can see, I'm running 26.4.1. And obviously that 0.1, as I mentioned in my last video, was a quick patch on top of 26.4. I'm currently running on this machine that I'm recording it from 26.5, so the beta version of 26.5. But anyway, I digress. So once you've done your software updates, so you're at the latest version of the operating system of the Mac, it will go away and then check whether Safari Preview needs to be updated. So it just appears in the general option. You can also obviously identify it by the little red mark and the little number 1 indicating how many updates we need. So either one, it will show you that Safari needs an update. You can click more information, which will obviously give you exactly what that build is. But all I do is click on the update, and it takes a very, very quick time for it to go away, update the software, and once it's updated it will then install, and then it goes away and checks with the internet, with the Apple service, that you're running the latest version. And if it is happy, then this is the information you'll get. So you'll say your Mac is all up to date. But just remember, you must have the latest operating system as high as it can go on that machine for Safari Tech Preview to work. And currently it only works on Sequoia and 26, so Mac 26 are the only two that actually runs it on, even though you could have installed it a couple of years ago and be on Sonoma, but it only actually supports the latest 2 operating systems that Apple have released. So if I go back into my hard drive and then go into my applications, and then let's find Preview. There it is. Double click it. Always double click it after you've installed it just to make sure it's working. And there we have it. Safari Technical Preview is working. If I click about, it gives me the build number and the information exactly what I'm working off. Anyway, yeah, that's it. Quite an easy one to take on board. Hopefully you found that one of use. Points to note: make sure your Mac is at the latest operating system, otherwise the actual tech preview, it won't identify that you need an update for that. So make sure your operating system is the latest build. Once that bit's completed, and then just do another software update, or the machine itself will flag you that it needs that particular update, and you'll be good to go. Anyway, that's it for me. Hopefully you found that one useful. Look forward to seeing you on the next video, and as always, have a great day. Thanks for watching.